You don't want to just be hearing noise, like Spanish noise around you. You want to be deliberately engaging, okay? If you're in Spain and you're, going to a coffee shop, try ordering in Spanish. See what happens, right? Like you can start by saying, oh, soy gringo, no hablo español, pero... But the idea here is that you want to be listening, but also understanding, not just listening. That's the idea, okay? Hearing isn't the same as actually listening. You know how if people like listen to a song and someone says like, you guys aren't listening. What you mean by that is that you're not understanding what he's actually saying. The same idea is applied here, where you're hearing what people are saying, but you're not actually listening and understanding sort of what's going on there. And so what this means is don't just memorize what a word means. Ask why. Like understand why that sentence is built like that. Why that verb is conjugated that way. Why is it me gusta, right? Why is it me ves or something like that? Why is it like this? Because that gives you a logic, a blueprint that you can apply to every other sentence in Spanish. And those patterns compound until you have so many patterns down that they don't need any script or anything. You can just use the patterns to create free-flowing sentences, which is literally what fluency is. And once you have that, all those random words that you're hearing around you will become like a system in your head, this sort of Spanish brain that you're able to just create sentences fully fluently. Or if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish cheat sheets, which are all my cheat sheets to help you start learning Spanish with these frameworks. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.